Morning students, in our last lecture we have discussed about a root system and external morphology of a plant. In this lecture we are going to discuss about stem and the forms of a stem and modification of stem. So let's start. So what is stem? Stem is a part of plant which lies above from surface of soil. That is, it shows negative geotropic growth. It has nodes and internodes. This is the specific characters of stem, that it contains nodes and internodes which are absent in roots. Branches, leaf, flower, bud and bracts are developed from nodes. Stem arises from plumule. Root arises from rhizome while stem arises from plumule. Forms of stem: codex. It is unbranched, erect, cylindrical, stout stem and marked with scars of fallen leaves. Crown of leaves are present at the top of plant. Example: palm trees जो होते हैं उनमें ये सब कोडेक्स वाली जो फॉर्म होती है वो मिलती है. फिर आते हैं कल्म. स्टेम इज जॉइंटेड विद सॉलिड नोड्स एंड hollow internodes. Example: bamboo. Family: Gramineae. Excurrent: the branches arise from the main stem in acropetal succession and the tree assumes cone-like appearance. Example: pinus, eucalyptus, casuarina, etc. Recurrent यानी deliquescent. The lateral branches grow more vigorously and outcompetes the main trunk, giving a dome-shaped appearance. Example: mango, shisham and banyan tree, which are commonly called as mesophytes. Next is types and modification of stem. Aerial stem, epiterranean stem. It may be reduced, erect and weak. Reduced stem जो होते हैं वो stem reduced to a disc. Example: radish, carrot, turnip. Erect stem which are it is strong and upright. Example: maize, wheat, mango. And weak stem are those which are thin, soft and weak and need support. They can be upright and prostrate. Next आता है हमारा creepers. The stem creeps on earth and the roots arise at the nodes. Example: grasses, strawberry, oxalis. Next, trailers. The stems creep on the ground but the roots do not arise at the nodes. They may be of two types: prostrate or procumbent. The stem creeps on ground totally. Example: evolvulus, tribulus. And decumbent is when prostrate stem projects its tip. Example: portulaca and linderbergia. नेक्स्ट आता है लाइनाज, जो इनको हम कॉमनली कहते हैं स्टेम क्लाइंबर्स. वुडी पेरिनिल क्लाइंबर्स फाउंड इन ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट आर लाइनाज. दे ट्विन themselves around tall trees to secure sunlight. Example: हिप्टेज, बोहिनिया, वहीली. Next है climbers. Plants are with long weak stem and have organs of attachment to climb the object. They may be following type: rootlet climbers. Roots produced at nodes help in climbing. Example: ticoma, pothos, piper beetle means पान का जो ट्री होता है. Hook climbers. In bougainvillea, turanta and carissa, the thorn is modification of axillary vegetative bud which helps in climbing. In begonia, terminal leaflet is converted into hook. Tendril climbers. Tendrils are thread-like structure which helps in plants in climbing. Tendrils are modification of entire leaf. Example: Lathyrus sativus. Leaflet. Example होता है Pisum sativum का. Means which are modified into tendrils. If entire leaf modified into tendril, then its example is Lathyrus sativus. If only leaflet modified into tendrils, then its example is Pisum sativum. If petiole, then example is Clematis, Nepenthes. If stipule, then its example is Smilex. Leaf apex, Gloriosa. And inflorescence का example है Antigonon. Stem example है Vitis vinifera means grapevines. And gourds and passiflora, modified axillary buds. So these are the modifications which are converted into tendrils of different parts of plant. Next is subaerial modification. Runners जो होते हैं, when stem grows and spread on the surface of soil, roots are developed at lower side and leaves from upper side from nodes. Example: cynodon जो कि दूब ग्रास होती है and oxalis. नेक्स्ट होता है स्टोलोन. In it, branches are small and stem condensed and grow in all direction. After some time of growing, the apical region comes out from the soil. Example, Fragaria, wild strawberry, jasmine, peppermint. Suckers जो होते हैं, in it, the main stem grow in the soil horizontally and branches develop obliquely from nodes above the soil. Example, mint, pineapple, chrysanthemum. Offset, a lateral branch with short internode and each node bearing a rosette of leaves and tuft of roots at base. Example, Pistia eichhornia. These modifications are also involved in the vegetative reproduction. We can see the common example of mint, in which only a stem can grow a whole plant. Underground modification. This type of modification occurs generally for food storage and vegetative propagation. For example, tuber, the tips of underground branches become swollen in the soil. Eyes are found on them, which are axillary buds are covered with scaly leaves. Example, potato, Helianthus tuberosus, also called as Solanum tuberosum. Second is rhizome. It is fleshy and horizontally stem found below in soil. Small nodes and internodes are found which are covered by scaly leaves. Example, ginger, turmeric, canna, water lily and banana. नेक्स्ट आता है हमारा कॉर्म. इट इज़ कंडेंस्ड स्ट्रक्चर विच ग्रोज वर्टिकली अंडर द सॉइल सर्फेस. दे आर हैविंग स्फेरिकल नोड एंड इंटरनोड. एग्जाम्पल, कोलोकेशिया, एलोकेशिया, ज़मीकन, सैफरन, ग्लेडियोलस, कोल्चिकम. नेक्स्ट है बल्ब. दिस स्टेम इज reduced and has disc-like structure and surrounds with numerous fleshy scaly leaves. Many roots arise from its base. Food is stored in fleshy leaves. They show apical growth. Example, onion, garlic. फिर हमारे आते हैं स्पेशल स्टेम मॉडिफिकेशन विच आर मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. फिलोक्लेड, थॉर्न एंड क्लेडोड एंड स्टेम टेंड्रिल एंड bulbils. These are some examples. Phyloclade is green photosynthetic flattened or rounded succulent stem with leaves either feebly developed or modified into spines. Example, Opuntia, Casuarina, Euphorbia and cactus. It's mainly occurs due to transpiration. To reduce transpiration. Thorn, it is modification of axillary bud. Example, Bougainvillea, Duranta, Acacia. Thorns of Alhagi possess flowers, while thorns of Duranta bears leaves. Cladode आता है. Phyloclade usually having 1 or 2 internode long and succulent is called cladode. Example, asparagus and riscus. अभी नहीं दिया. Next है stem tendril. It is a leafless, spirally coiled structure found in climbers. It may be a modification of axillary bud. Example, passiflora or terminal bud. Example, vitis, means grapevine. Bulbils, a condensed axillary fleshy bud is called bulbils. It helps in vegetative reproduction. Example, Dioscorea, globa, agave and oxalis. फिर नेक्स्ट आते हैं फंक्शंस ऑफ स्टेम. यहाँ पे हम डायग्राम में कुछ इनके वो देख सकते हैं मॉडिफिकेशंस जो थे. फिलोक्लेड का एग्जांपल देखिए, क्लेडोड. और ये जो नागफनी यानी कैक्टस का जो प्लांट होता है उसमें कॉमनली देखने को मिलता है फिलोक्लेड, जो कि ट्रांसपिरेशन को कम करने के लिए इनकी लीव्स स्पाइन में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है और स्टेम जो है वो फ्लैटन हो जाता है और सक्कुलेंट बन जाता है. वाटर का भी स्टोरेज करता है. फंक्शंस क्या होते हैं? द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द स्टेम इज स्प्रेडिंग आउट ब्रांचेस बियरिंग लीव्स, फ्लावर्स एंड फ्रूट्स. इट कंडक्ट्स वाटर, मिनरल्स एंड फोटोसिंथेट्स. Some stem performs the function of storage of food, support, protection and of vegetative propagation. यानी हमारे लिए स्टेम्स जो है वो मल्टीपर्पज़ होते हैं और डिफरेंट काम कर सकते हैं. सो ये हमारा टॉपिक था स्टेम का, ये पूरा कवर हो चुका है. आप इसके नोट्स प्रिपेयर